And I know there's a player like that at Orlando Pirates. There was a few players like that at Orlando Pirates actually. There was Umonapule Saleng. Was, if you really watched Saleng, I know most people ended up, categorizing or like loading Saleng as like a superstar. But if you really had a close look, beyond the spectacular goals Saleng used to score, Saleng was a frustrating player. He still is. He will always be Saleng, because decision making sometimes is just Saleng okwenziwe ibhedayo mfethu, like angapasi big passes ezininzi, that okanye if uyapasa yenze i-wrong passes ezininzi inaccurate, lose lahle ibhola kaninzi Saleng bafethu. But Saleng avele yenziwe brilliant, shaye brilliant goal and brilliant assist. There are always two sides to a coin. And then coming back to Lilepo na a player enjeyana ke bafethu. That's why ndithetha ngezibhenda izangu, because ndiza kuLilepo apho. Ba se Lilepo Machita Namakhotman. In this video I'm talking about what Kaizer Chiefs should avoid. Much has been said about the players whose contracts are expiring on June 30. And much has been said about the technical team and who's coming in, Kaizer Chiefs. But this is football, and in football, there are things, there are standards, there are methods that need to be respected when you are building a success a football club. No matter OP, whether we Sundowns or we Pirates or Manchester City, Barcelona or Bayern Munich. But if football is a business, is a sport, and the corner J fundamentals, the principles that you should always work around or within when you are building success. I'm going to be talking about Kaizer Chiefs, what they must avoid when it comes to making decisions on the squad and the technical team. Management, obviously, there's not going to be much that's going to change Ipana, because the same people are going to be there. They're going to be staying. They just made one adjustment with Peggy Shongwe taking over as the CEO. I did 2 videos on that. If you missed that, please check it out on Peggy channel. Let's start with the players, because everybody loves that, and then there's also like a technical team. Chiefs in what is it, 7 players whose contracts are ending. I know Dylan Solomon's, Zita Quinica is there as well, Bruce Vuma, Sibongiseni Mthethwa. Who else is there? Is it Gaston Sereno? Yes. No, Khanyisa Mayo, iloni yakhe iyaphela. And I might have forgotten 1 or 2. Pulemoti. It's very interesting. These players are the players that most of them, there's question marks around what they offer for the team. Kaizer Chiefs, in this list of players, there are players that they have not contributed to the team's success this season, even though there's not much success, but they did not contribute much. They did not make things happen. We all know ngobani who abenze izinto zenzeke. Brendan Peterson, Aiden McCarthy, Flavio Silva, Lebohang Mabo, Claude Lilepo. Very interesting player, that one. And I hope I'm going to forget to add a note about Lilepo. Actually, while I'm still here, before I forget, because I'm going to forget, because Lilepo is not on this list, here players whose contracts are ending. Just a note on Lilepo. Lilepo is a footballer that is, you always find as footballers, as long as you watch football and follow football, as long as you connect players in Jane, they are both bad and good at the same time. You know, one moment they are terrible, one moment they are brilliant. But excellence, ni poor, terrible moments, weak moments, bad moments, they come hand in hand. And I know there's a player like that at Orlando Pirates. There was a few players like that at Orlando Pirates actually. There was Umonapule Saleng. Was, if you really watched Saleng, I know most people ended up, you know, categorizing or like loading Saleng as like a superstar. But if you really had a close look, beyond the spectacular goals Saleng used to score, Saleng was a frustrating player. He still is. He will always be Saleng, because decision making sometimes is just Saleng uzokwenziwe ibhedayo mfethu, like angapasi big passes ezininzi, that okanye if uyapasa yenze i-wrong passes ezininzi inaccurate, lose lahle ibhola kaninzi uSaleng bafethu. But Saleng avele yenziwe brilliant, shaye brilliant goal and brilliant assist. Or again, Pirates, Umuhau Nkotha was a player like that. Nkotha yakucaphukisa, yakuphambanisa Nkotha vete kwenza ba Sergio Mhlanye, yabo uqhwetha inwele, ngoba ikuse akapasi okanye kuse ifanele uba makapasi ashute. Ngiyabona kadlali ngo Saudi Arabia ziwezi nje yaba isejonga, like his football decision making is bad, Joe, but he's capable of brilliance. Saleng adlala Sundowns in and out, kangafika be regular Sundowns, and siyamazi Saleng uTswimpu, and Saleng siyamazi ba he's a better goal scorer than many players at Sundowns, but because of his tactical awareness, his understanding of the game, his reading of the game is very bad. He's not playing much with Sundowns. Nkotha uhlala ebenchini isikhakhulu Saudi Arabia, because the reading of the game, understanding of the game is very bad, decision making. But siyayazi ba the brilliance yabo, we all know about that. Before ndiyabazi amanye abantu avele bajambe ngokaba Saleng is good, Umonapule Saleng is good. Now ndiyazi ibhola, I know how to watch football. I know I've seen all the goals from them, but they're not perfect players. There are always two sides to a coin. And then coming back to Lilepo na I player njeyana ke bafiti. That's why ndithetha ngeziplayers zami, because ndiza kuLilepo apho. Base Lilepo, same people nabo abathi bajonga uLilepo bayamthanda, bakhala ngoLilepo, base uLilepo is a top player. Niyayazi ba you've found yourself in many moments where uthukisa ushouta iTV, but uLilepo wenzani mfethu, yabo. So Lilepo is that kind of player, but he's gonna stay at Kaizer Chiefs anyways, because he has the ability and the quality and the talent to win games, and the football is about winning. That's why players like Lilepo, Saleng, and Nkotha will have kind of like long careers in football. Bazohlala ke football, bazohlala beze football players, basizoba na career, as long as bahlala be fit, you know, because they can win games. Never mind Ilanu's imperfections zabo. So Lilepo is like that. Na Kaizer Chiefs ikhona iplayer phana enguLilepo qha, Mfundo Vilakazi. And I don't care about say fans Mfundo Vilakazi zothini apho, ngoba that nayazi, I think even 9 if mfite inyana so Vilakazi yafana eziplanted ngazo. Decision making, understanding of the game, better. Wenziwe iziphuma ecaleni ba Vilakazi wenzani ngo yabo, but he has the ability to change and win games. So Lilepo is like that. Anyways, coming back to the players, Kaizer Chiefs, whose contracts are ending, and what Kaizer Chiefs should avoid. Football success iweti bene ne Landuza ne what are they called? Processes, you know, when it comes to success, when you're building success. And one of the key principles is lewe bathi continuity. Continuity kuqhubekeka, and kuze uphumelele kube success funeka be continuity, like kuze uzofumana diploma okanye ufumane like a university degree, funeka uqale wenze first year, wenze second year, wenze third year, yabo. Awukwazi uvele ufumane your degree or your diploma in like unyaka oyi-1, yabo. And also kwi-program nasikolweni, like if ufuna ugraduate from high school uye ku-grade 8, ubone ungene high school from grade 1 to grade 7 or standard 1 to standard 7. Ndiyazi ezinye i-listeners apha abone izindala ziyazi we-grades standard 1 uye to standard 5, yabo. Kuze ufike standard 6 zikhona i-subjects ozenzayo and funeke uqhubekeke ngazo, and ezinye subjects uyazenza from standard 1 to standard 7. Bekhona ezikayo, but zikhona ezinye ezibalulekileyo, yabo. And lo ifanele continuity. And football, there's certain things that are similar like that in terms of when you're trying to find success. Because achieve success now, you know, they want to win the league again. They want to win away CAF Confederation Cup. They want to win the trophies. And in squads, you mustn't make too many changes. You mustn't release too many players. So that is my point here. But Kaizer Chiefs, there are 7 players whose contracts are ending, and Kaizer Chiefs should not release all those 7 players. They might even want to keep even a player that has not been good enough this season, but his presence might be key next season. And if football is not just about what is happening in the 90 minutes of it, you know, players zidlala roles off the field, at the training ground, in the dressing room, in the camp, during traveling, zibalulekile as a way. And leadership is not only on the field. Zikhona leaders ebaleni, bekhona leaders xa kuphunyiwe nasebaleni, like leadership nasejimini khona leadership afethu, abo. Zikhona players, khona i-players endizibizileyo apha that are like that have been key on the pitch. Aiden McCarthy, Brendan Peterson, Lebohang Mabo, Flavio Silva. Ebona lamachita Z4's players. Zikhona players ezingakhange zidlale Kaizer Chiefs this season, but if bezingekho, as players ndizibizayo, Peterson, no Lilepo, no Silva, no Mabo, bancedwa zizo qathi nasiyibone lo singaphandle bayi zikhona players ezibancedayo pha Kaizer Chiefs thina sithi bajonga iyasuka lo muntu week, lo muntu makahambe Kaizer Chiefs must go. Wena awuyazi bekusejonga is players kuselo lamni kuseyichomi kaMabo, and then Mabo kuza feel comfortable Kaizer Chiefs, kuza relax, kuza feel home, kuza onwabe Kaizer Chiefs because of play ethile nethini ethile. And okanye bikhona iplayer impushayo kuse umjide motivateayo, and soloko imlanduze kuse impressurize, yabo. The players ezinjeyana ngizizwe singaziboniyo thina. So my point is that you must not break a group too much in football. You know, there must be continuity. Don't just release everyone. Message only contracts by 7. No. There needs to be continuity. It teams like Sundowns. Sundowns, about the season, when this into Sundowns this season, Orlando's in defense, Keanu Cupid almost. And Kalenza this season low way. Jaden Adams, Kalenza this season low way. Brian Leon, January Lamchita. But then Sundowns now Champions League final. But then it's a corny players like Sundowns that were important. Sundowns, they were there last season and the season before that. And if Bezingeko, Brian Leon, Jaden Adams, Keanu Cupido, they won't succeed if Bezingeko are players again because continuity. Grant Kekana, Tebo Mokoena, Landuza, or Primotiba, or Koliso Mutao, they've been there for 3-4 seasons. And that is called continuity. You can sign 3-4 players as incha, but say make sure by say jonga 8, 6 players, ikona ehleli pa for continuity. Kids the Chiefs of sunny players incha, but say in football you must respect continuity. By say jonga squad is settled, you know, leadership yapana. That is what Kids the Chiefs must avoid Bafit. That is my point. Like on the Pirates Bafit this season ufikile up to Slamwadu show ya wenza izinto kafika uLanduza ozun Apollos kafika uLebone CM yabo injaza amathambo. But except there are players that have been there for like last season and the season before that, and that is called continuity. Presence Zupai has been key, and if Bezingeko, Apollos was not gonna shine as much as he's shining, was not gonna perform as much as he has been. CM is not going to do well as much as he has without players as fana no Sipo Chain, no Ngosnati Sibis, Talent Mbata, Makehlene Makaula, Patrick Masangwani. You must not just release 7-8 players, Bafito. This is not a small team. Yes, born small teams. Again, born small teams almost every season. But it says very release 15 players, 12 players, go signing 16. Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs they finished third in Ngogo. They're going to continue Ngogo. They're going to build on that. They were in the CAF Confederation Cup last season. CAF Confederation Cup again. They might bring in a new coach, which is obviously not might. They're going to bring in a new coach. They're going to sign like 3 or 4 new players or 5 new players. But it's important for them to keep the core of the team. Yeah, but in my opinion, Umayo Wafetu is not you can't just be you can't be a goal scoring winger, a top player like Algeria, scored goals Algerian League, scored goals Confederation CAF Champions League, or scored goals Cape Town City, and then suddenly you're not a good player. As a coaches, they couldn't get the best out of Mayo, so that doesn't mean Umayo should go. In my opinion, Gaston Sirena should not go. But yes, then there's a video if you want to check it out, check the timeline on the channel Bafit. Then dealing with players, but who should stay and who should go. So Kaizer Chiefs need to build on what they've achieved this season by keeping some core players. Bangayenza mistake available. Bavuthulule bavuthuze zonke bangamamile bethelwa zifans apha phandle na social media khona ifans ithetha nje apha bawumna acinga ukuthi hayi se they must all go ayikho nothethayo bhuti kanye sisi. So yeah Bafethu, that is my take for today. That's my video for vandag Bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs should avoid making too many changes in the squad.